Let me be. I can't stand around. Let me be. I can't stand around. Like, oh my God, please don't wait until I'm dead to vocalize I'm great. I was first to break the bank from in my last name. I got rich and bought a crib to build a window pane. Big enough and bright enough to outshine all my pain. Mama said my papa said I'm on the side missions. Eating fried chicken, Billy cool wide body whip. Every ex I ever had was useless, I ain't grow at all. Except for one who held me down, that's my fucking dog. 30 million plus in revenue by 24 on pimping. If we do the shoebox challenge, I can stack a gremlin. Fuck rap, nigga off my face, I'll be straight forever. I run with some millionaires, the others not so clever. It's more than nothing than to put my boys on my endeavors. It's more than nothing than to stop writing these jails letters. Let me be. I can't stand around. Let me be. I can't stand